Donald Trump's journey from humble beginnings in Queens to becoming the President of the United States is nothing short of extraordinary. His life story weaves through diverse fields, from building a real estate empire to becoming a household name in the entertainment industry and ultimately stepping into the world of politics. Trump's rise to prominence reflects a bold and ambitious pursuit of success across multiple arenas, making his story one of resilience, controversy, and achievement. Donald Trump was born on 14 June 1946 in Queens, New York, to Fred Trump, a successful real estate developer, and Mary Ann McLeod, a Scottish immigrant. His upbringing in Jamaica Estates, an affluent neighborhood in Queens, reflected his family's wealth and status. Trump was raised in a grand 23-room Tudor-style mansion, symbolizing the privilege and comfort of his early life. From a young age, he was introduced to the world of real estate by his father, who taught him valuable lessons about building and business. These early experiences played a crucial role in shaping Trump's future ambitions and business philosophy. Donald Trump's education and early career played a significant role in shaping his path to success. From 1959 to 1964, he attended the New York Military Academy, where his parents hoped the structured environment would help channel his energy and assertiveness. Afterward, Trump pursued higher education, studying economics at Fordham University before transferring to the prestigious Wharton School of Finance at the University of Pennsylvania, where he graduated in 1968. Following his graduation, he joined his father's company, Elizabeth Trump and a son, where he gained valuable experience managing middle-class rental housing. These formative years provided Trump with the discipline, knowledge, and skills that would later fuel his ambitions in the real estate industry. Trump Tower, completed in 1983, stands as one of Donald Trump's most iconic achievements. The 58-story skyscraper on Fifth Avenue in Manhattan became not only his signature property but also his personal residence until his presidency. During the 1980s, Trump expanded his empire into the casino industry, making a mark on Atlantic City's boardwalk with landmarks like the Trump Plaza and Trump Taj Mahal. Beyond the US, he ventured into global real estate, developing luxury hotels and resorts around the world. His distinctive gold-lettered name soon became a symbol of opulence and success, turning Trump into a brand synonymous with luxury and ambition. Donald Trump's success extended beyond real estate into the realms of literature, television, and branding. In 1987, he published Trump, The Art of the Deal, which became a bestseller and cemented his reputation as a business guru, significantly raising his public profile. Trump's star rose even higher with the launch of The Apprentice in 2004, a reality TV show that ran until 2015. His catchphrase, "You're fired," quickly became a cultural phenomenon, attracting millions of viewers. Capitalizing on his growing fame, Trump ventured into product lines, launching items such as Trump ties, steaks, vodka, and bottled water. His name became more than just a signature, it transformed into a valuable brand associated with luxury, ambition, and boldness. Donald Trump's personal life has long been a subject of public fascination, often making headlines in tabloids. He has been married 3 times, first to Ivana Trump from 1977 to 1992, then to Marla Maples from 1993 to 1999, and currently to Melania Trump, whom he married in 2005. Across these marriages, Trump is the father of 5 children: Donald Jr., Ivanka, Eric, Tiffany, and Barron. His family has frequently been in the spotlight, with his children playing prominent roles in both his business ventures and political career. Donald Trump's political journey began long before his successful presidential run. He considered running for president in 1988, 2000, and 2012, while donating to both Republican and Democratic politicians over the years, reflecting a complex political stance. Trump gained widespread political attention in 2011 when he became a leading voice in the BRCA movement, repeatedly questioning President Barack Obama's birthplace. This controversial stance kept him in the media spotlight, with frequent appearances on talk shows. On 16 June 2015, Trump formally announced his candidacy for president in a historic moment, descending the escalator at Trump Tower to deliver a speech that would mark the beginning of a highly unconventional campaign. Donald Trump's path to the presidency was marked by a series of unexpected victories. In the Republican primaries, he defeated 16 rivals, using an unorthodox debate style and energetic rallies to galvanize supporters. Despite resistance from the party establishment, he secured the nomination, reshaping the Republican Party in the process. During the general election, Trump focused heavily on Rust Belt states, where his slogan, "Make America Great Again," resonated with voters concerned about economic decline and immigration. In a stunning upset on 8 November 2016, he defeated Hillary Clinton, winning the Electoral College with 304 votes, even though he lost the popular vote by nearly 3 million. His victory shocked political experts and reshaped the landscape of American politics. Donald Trump's presidency was marked by bold and often controversial policies across various fronts. On the economic front, he signed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in 2017, delivering significant tax reductions and pursuing widespread deregulation across industries. Under his administration, unemployment reached historic lows before the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted the global economy. Trump's immigration stance became a cornerstone of his presidency. He pushed for the construction of a southern border wall, implemented travel bans on several predominantly Muslim countries, and significantly reduced refugee admissions, sparking heated national debates. In foreign relations, Trump made unprecedented moves, including meeting with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, relocating the U.S. embassy in Israel to Jerusalem, and withdrawing from both the Paris Climate Agreement and the Iran nuclear deal. These actions reshaped America's role on the global stage, earning both praise and criticism. The COVID-19 pandemic became a defining challenge in Trump's final year in office. He launched Operation Warp Speed, accelerating vaccine development, but faced intense criticism for downplaying the severity of the virus. His handling of the crisis sparked deep political divisions, leaving a lasting impact on his presidency. Donald Trump's presidency was marked by several historic controversies and investigations. One of the most significant was the Mueller investigation, led by Special Counsel Robert Mueller, which examined Russian interference in the 2016 election. While Trump himself was not charged, the investigation resulted in multiple convictions of his associates, fueling political tensions throughout his term. In December 2019, Trump became the third U.S. president to be impeached. The House of Representatives charged him with abuse of power and obstruction of Congress over his communications with Ukraine, where he was accused of pressuring the Ukrainian president to investigate political rival Joe Biden. However, the Senate acquitted him, allowing him to remain in office. The most dramatic moment of his presidency came on 6 January 2021, when a mob of Trump supporters stormed the U.S. Capitol as Congress was certifying Biden's electoral victory. The violent riot resulted in 5 deaths and shocked the nation. In the aftermath, Trump was impeached for a second time, the only president in history to face impeachment twice, this time charged with incitement of insurrection. Once again, the Senate acquitted him, but the events left a deep mark on American politics and democracy. Donald Trump left office on 20 January 2021, marking a historic and controversial departure. Breaking long-standing tradition, he chose not to attend Joe Biden's inauguration, becoming the first outgoing president in over 150 years to skip the ceremony. After leaving Washington, Trump relocated to his Mar-a-Lago resort in Florida, where he continued to make headlines. Post-presidency, Trump faced numerous legal challenges. Investigations unfolded on multiple fronts, including a New York civil fraud case, a federal probe into his handling of classified documents, and the case in Georgia related to alleged election interference. These legal battles added complexity to his already polarizing public image. Despite the controversies, Trump announced his third presidential run on 15 November 2022, positioning himself as the Republican frontrunner. His bet for a political comeback has further deepened divisions within the Republican Party while energizing his loyal base, setting the stage for another contentious chapter in his political journey. Donald Trump's influence reaches far beyond his time in office, leaving a lasting imprint on American politics and society. His unconventional approach and bold rhetoric polarized the nation, sparking intense debate while inspiring unwavering loyalty among his supporters. Trump reshaped political discourse, challenging norms and redefining the Republican Party. Whether viewed as a champion of populism or a divisive figure, his legacy is undeniable. Future historians will analyze his impact for generations as the Trump era continues to shape conversations about leadership, democracy, and the power of personality in politics. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.